Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs. Today we have a build from Hachette. It is the Stobart Moving the Nations issues 93. So it's the inner wheel for the trailer, for the wheel we just previously done. So let's take a look. So inner, so we would be connecting these two up. Okay. Chassis beam. Great. So let's get on with this one. We have some hot water here. Let's just put a carefully place this in some boiling water. That's the way I do it. And put this to a side for now. And with that, we have a few parts to put together. Let's take these out the way. First, these two. And this is DD03 screws. So 4 of these. One more. Oh, I think we are ready for our tire. Shake off the access. I like to dry mine slightly first before putting them onto the wheel. So that's now done. Should be hot enough. There's a bit of a struggle, but we will get there, I believe. There we go. Steady. Really? Pop that. And excellent, I think. That's now in place. So let's just get this now attached to the other side. We have our tire from issue 92, and this is the wheel we just attached. You can see a rim on that. It's as easy as putting two together. Well, let's try find, say easy, but let's try find the locating pins. Does it matter which way? I don't think so. So let's just see, find it. There we go. And we will need 3 DD03 screws. Okay, now we have a wheel hub. So that will be, you can see there's 3 more pins. And that, hopefully, I think that's in place. Sorry. There, now we're in place. With that, we will need again DD03 screws. Okay, So that's all screwed in place. We have a hub that does not need to be screwed in place. It's just telling us, I believe, to just leave it like this for now. It says it's labeled R somewhere. Let's see if we can see the R. I don't see. Oh, hold on, there's something. Could be something there. There's a mark in there, but I think R2 is telling us. So that's all what needs to be done in this stage. So I really hope you enjoyed that, and like always, if you can hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, that would do us a really great help. And look forward to seeing you all next time. See you later.